All right, 641, let's show you something. So let's go to shader number 7 by pressing the 7 key, L for letterboxing, Shift minus to zoom out. Then we're gonna go up, up, down, down, left, right, N, and we're gonna take a file and load it into the game. And we can see, hey, look, we got these little hallways. Now we got these places that you could never go because they're encapsulated by invincible, indestructible level, or indestructible tile. But yeah, the tunnels are working. These little tunnels, these little hallways between Nicolas Cages, they are done. Let's go look at the code and see what we did. So here's the source code right here. You're on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Slower videos are on Ninja Coder. Let's review the 641 deltas because we're on video 641. So 641 deltas it is. So in the file 196 section, down in bitmap room relatives, inside of init hall segs, we've changed the wall length to 16, and if we look at the math for why we changed that to 16, we can see that there's a 32 by 32 micro level inset within a 64 by 64, which means that these walls that are extending off of the micro levels to create our hallways, those should be 16, right? Because 16 plus 32 plus 16 is 64, right? That's pretty goddamn sensible, right? So if we go down here, right, we have to change our formula a little bit because we fucked up. We were off by 1. So we added these two variables, extend x and extend y, and we're going to use these to fix our off by 1 error down in this loop right here. So we see that extend x is equal to the direction x times wall length minus 1. Extend y is direction y times wall length minus 1. So what this means is that if you have a hallway that its origin is the tile that is connected to the Nicolas Cage, if the wall length is exactly 1, you don't create any nubs, because that one tile that you're about to draw is embedded into the Nicolas Cage cage. So this is fixing our math, because previously the formula we were using was this, but without the minus 1. So now the formula here is correct, and then we're going to take the correct formula here, and we're going to put it here, and we're also going to put this right here. So we're going to take the terminating, we're going to take the start point. We're going to take the start point on the X and the Y of our hallway, and we're going to extend from there in point normal form to get these endpoints here. Okay, so we're done, yeah? Here's what we did previously and other stuff, and here's what we did, blah, 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 notes and stuff. I'm out here. Like and subscribe.